Welcome to Traveling Rocks. In this video I am exploring one of my accommodation located on Oslo, and my accommodation name is a Radisson Blu Hotel. I stay here one night. As my personal experience, accommodation is not well, especially no parking place is available this specially hotel. Remaining video you can see which types of accommodation features they are providing us. So let's check it out. Radisson Blu car parking. Now I will show you. Press here for the reception. इसमें डाल दे मन. For one night stay, price of this accommodation around 1279 Danish krona if you are booking from booking.com. And one of the important point come here, if you travel like E6 highway, so this hotel based on E6 highway exit exactly in Oslo city. So that is the advantage of this hotel, otherwise nothing special for this accommodation. And here hotel. Now I will show you the hotel room. प्राइवेट क्या होता है? अच्छा, ये प्राइवेट के बिकते भी क्या रूम है उन्होंने. My room is 651. This is 651. This is the room. The double bed, the one chair, the laptop table, and outside the view. It's huge room. Pretty nice. Even here is the toilet, wash. Now good morning in Radisson Blu. Now I am going to the breakfast. Lock my room. I reach the lobby, and in the lobby breakfast. Hi, good morning. ये क्या है? शॉर्ट पियो बोले? Boost to your immunity in one shot.
कैसा है?
अच्छा. किधर? ये इसको रूम नंबर बोल दे, पूछी तो. मोनू, ये सबसे बेस्ट है. बहुत कुछ बना के रखा, मन कर लिया. जो मन करे वो खा. No. Health conscious. This is my breakfast plate.